First things first, appreciate your support. So this is an LG washing machine. It's one of the most complicated machines to unblock. If you have a very stubborn blockage, LG is one of the machines that are very complicated. Before you proceed, kindly subscribe, like and share. I appreciate your support. Now, the reason I'm saying LG is the most complicated machine to unblock is because other machines, to access the hose that comes from the main drum to the drain casing is easy. You just flip the machine to access underneath the machine. LG latest models completely sealed. So if you check this machine, it's giving an OE error. I opened the filter, but the machine could not drain because there was a blockage in the main hose that gets water from the main drum to the drain casing. So when you get to this, because the only thing you can do if you're not good at this, or you're not a technician, or you don't have knowledge in washing machines, is open the filter. But when you open the filter and water won't come out, and it's an LG washing machine, there's no shortcut. You'll have to remove the entire front panel. You have to remove the door. So like on this one here, like when you try to drain water, there are two options. You can use this emergency hose here. But now, because the main hose is blocked, water could not come out through this. Okay, you see, I opened the filter to see if I was trying to see if I can get water from this machine. It wasn't possible. Yes, the filter was dirty, but there's something that was holding water. And this is where the complication gets in. Because how do you access the hose? It's sealed underneath. So what you need to do is you'll have to remove the front panel, remove the display board, remove this. This is where what we flip, it fits on that. So you have to unscrew it out. Then we have four bolts up. Then we have 2 or 1 underneath. So you'll have to remove all these bolts, remove the panel, remove the door switch, because if you remove the panel without removing the door switch, you might end up messing up the door switch. So you'll have to now replace the door switch, and if the pump needs a replacement, also you'll have to replace the pump, which is quite expensive. But what I mean is this is not something that everyone will do. But if you have the tools, this is the right video, because step by step, what I advise is, if you're not sure what you're doing, take pictures or take a video so you'll know what to do when assembling the machine. So you see here, you'll have to remove the clipper that holds the rubber, then push the rubber inside. Once that is done and all the screws have been removed, when I mean all the screws or the bolts, I mean these ones up here. We have that one, and then we have another one close to the dispenser, and then another one the far left. So once you remove all these screws, what you need to do is you'll pull the panel up and then pull it out. So it's a procedure. You see, when you remove this, okay, you unclip the door switch. The wires that got the door switch, you unclip that. Then ensure that the door is kept in a place where it cannot be broken, because that is a glass. So This is what I meant by LG being complicated, because there is no way you will access this pump. There's a pump there. This is a direct current pump. There's no way you'll access the hose. You see, I'm trying to feel if there's something on the hose that brings water from the main drum to the drain pump down here. So there's something, and that is definitely like a socks. So for you to remove that, you'll have to remove the front panel. There's no shortcut. So that's why LG is one of the most complicated machines to unblock. If you found this video helpful, please